How's it going, YouTubers? Chris here from Made in Taiwan. Just purchased this 44-inch 13-drawer tool chest, cabinet, rolling tool chest, roller, industrial, whatever it says. 44-inch 13-drawer industrial roller cabinet by U.S. General. Yes, I know, it's made in China. But, so my project, as you all know, if you haven't seen my other videos, is to purchase all the tools that are made in Taiwan at Harbor Freight and review them. Well, I have a lot of tools that are made in Taiwan from Harbor Freight that are just laying around my garage. So I'm going to try and get them organized here, get my review going, and maybe we can review some tools right here on the top of this toolbox. Just want to go over some quality control stuff before I completely assemble this thing. It looks to be completely powder coated, like they didn't chintz on any of that, so I imagine this will last quite a long time. Probably long enough for me to pass it down to my kids. So on these bottom drawers, you got two roller bearing slides. It all seems to be pretty high quality. The inside of the cabinet, as you can see, is also evenly powder coated. Plenty of drawers here. Each drawer comes with this foam liner, which is very nice. You don't have to cut your own liners to size. I'm gonna buy some organizers and stuff. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. I just gotta finish putting this handle on here, see if I actually want to do it. I might actually just buy a second one, push them together, and build a countertop over both of them. So anyway, it wasn't too bad to get off the truck. It says it's 130 kilograms, which I haven't quite calculated yet, but it's over 200 some pounds, probably around 250 I would guess. So I took out all the drawers and except for the top one, and it was actually not bad. they had a electric forklift, which was pretty dandy, and they loaded it up on the truck for me, and that went very well. The top here's got a rubber liner, but I'll probably be putting a top over both. I'll probably put a top on top of this, maybe like a wooden top. And if I do buy two, I'm gonna just build a countertop over the top of both of these. But yeah, so I got it, let me see here. I had a gift card from my friend Robin. Thanks, Robin, for feeding my habit. Oops, I took the other coupon. So there's a coupon to have this cabinet for $3.50. He graciously let me keep this half of the coupon, which is the top half of this cabinet if you want to add more drawers. Comes with 4 keys. Comes with a handle, which if you need to adjust it, the chrome pieces can slide in and out. There's some alignment tabs right here. Just get that lined up. Screw in the provided machine bolts. I'm not sure I'm going to quite do it. Make sure you, so these holes are actually on both sides, but the toolbox only comes with one side with swiveling wheels, so you may want to put it on the side that has the swiveling wheels. I want to go over just if you want to also comes with the 4 set of keys. You can leave it permanently unlocked if you like. So I just want to touch on removing these drawers if you're going to unload it yourself, or if you drop something behind the toolbox. So on the roller slides on each side there's one that goes, you just pull up on it and then pull it out a little bit and it'll release from this catch here. And on the other side it's the reverse, just push down. And then the slide comes out. Pretty easy, right? And again, each slide comes with the foam insert. It's powder coated nicely. I definitely hope to bring you guys more content now that I have a place to properly store all these tools I intend on buying. So, hey, I appreciate you watching. You guys have a nice day. We'll see you next time.